Here's how to fix Snapchat camera flash not working problem. The first thing you want to do is launch open your settings. Now select apps. A list of all the apps will be shown over here. Simply scroll and find Snapchat, then open it. Now you want to tap on the option of battery. Go ahead and select that. Now go ahead and select the option of unrestricted, then head back. Next you want to tap on force stop. Now tap on OK. Then select storage. Here tap clear cache. Once that is done, open Snapchat and check if your problem is fixed. If it is still not fixed, then the next thing you want to do is open up Play Store. Now you want to search Snapchat over here. If you find the update option, go ahead and tap on that and update the app to the latest version. Next, you want to restart your device. Go ahead and tap on the restart option, or you can select power off and then power on after a certain time. And in this way, you can easily fix Snapchat camera flash not working problem. If you found this video useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.